In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Viva Engage. Viva Engage is your organization's social hub built to help you connect with colleagues, share updates, and discover communities that matter. Let's get you set up and comfortable using it from day one. Start by launching your Microsoft apps. Open the workspace where you normally access your Microsoft tools, and you'll be ready to add Viva Engage. Once you're in, find the Engage app and select Add. If you're using a sidebar with apps, look for Viva Engage by name. Adding it places the app where you can reach it quickly so you don't have to search each time. After it appears in your sidebar, right-click the Viva Engage icon and choose Pin. Pinning keeps it visible and saves clicks throughout your day. You can also drag it to reorder your sidebar so it sits exactly where you want it. Next, personalize your presence. Click your profile icon or open the Storylines tab, then choose the Edit option, shown as a pencil icon. You may be redirected to Microsoft Delve to update your details. That's normal. Take a minute here to set the tone for how coworkers discover you. Include a clear, professional photo, a brief About Me introduction, the projects you're currently working on, and a few specific interests. This helps others understand your expertise and opens the door to helpful connections. Keep it concise, up to date, and aligned with your company's guidelines. Now explore communities. Click the Communities tab in the left navigation to browse recommended or all communities. Recommended shows groups likely relevant to your role or interests. All lets you scan the full directory. When you find a public community that fits, click Join. Joining ensures you'll see posts in your feed and get notified about new conversations. Inside a community, post an update to introduce yourself or share something useful. Keep your message clear, add context, and attach files or links if they help. Using mentions and topic tags can improve visibility. Always match the tone of the community and follow any posting guidelines you see. For broader personal updates that reach across communities, use storylines. This is the place for work-relevant insights, wins, learnings, or questions you want a wider audience to see. You can add images or short videos and tag topics so others can discover your post. Finally, manage your inbox and notifications. Open your inbox to review messages, replies, and announcements, and mark items as read to stay organized. You can follow or unfollow threads to control what resurfaces and adjust notification preferences to get the right balance of alerts without overload. With Viva Engage added, pinned, your profile polished, communities joined, and notifications tuned, you're ready to connect and contribute with confidence.